So I've been earning around 30 lakh rupees per month as a student, just by using this website. Gah. And today, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do it too. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so what you want to do is go to this website, which is in the description below. Okay, once you go to this website, you're going to see a lot of different courses on various different topics. Now all of these courses are not created by me. I have around 100 people working under me who create courses and upload them on this website. But there's a catch. All of these courses have to be approved by me before they are published on the website. Now what I do is I go through each and every course that is uploaded, and if I find it valuable, I publish it on the website. And if you go through the website, you'll find that there are courses on almost every single topic. Whether it is related to finance, whether it is related to freelancing, whether it is related to internet marketing, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, e-commerce, cryptocurrency, copywriting, content, writing, SEO, social media marketing, YouTube, you name it, we have it on our website. And once these courses are published on the website, students like you can buy these courses. For example, if you want to become a content writer, you can buy this course, which is published by Sarge, and you can simply click on Buy Now. Now what happens is once you click on Buy Now, you be redirected to this page, where you have to enter your email ID and your name, and then you can make the payment via PayPal or pay via Stripe. And once you make the payment, you will receive an email which looks something like this. This is an example email. This is not the actual one. But as you can see, it has the login details to access the members area. Once you log into the members area, what you're gonna see is a dashboard which will look something like this. This is also not the actual one. It's just for the sake of demonstration. So as you can see here, there are multiple sections. There is a section for the introduction. There is a section for content writing, tools, samples, resources, and then there is a section for the student's work as well. So when the student reads all of these things, he becomes a better content writer. Now the best thing is that we also provide 24/7 support to all of our students. Case they have any doubts, they can simply contact us via the contact form, or they can contact us via WhatsApp. We have a WhatsApp group where the students can ask their doubts. Now let's come back to the main point of this video, which is how much money can a student actually earn by doing this. So let's take an example. Let's say that there are 100 students who buy this course. Now, out of these 100 students, 90 students will join the WhatsApp group and start talking in the WhatsApp group. Now, out of these 90 students, 80 students will actually start doing the work, and 8 students will not do the work. Out of these 80 students, 64 students will earn money, and 16 students will not earn money. Out of these 64 students, 51 students will earn around $500 per month, and 13 students will earn around $1,000 per month. So if you calculate all of this, you will see that 100 students buying the course will result in 13 students earning around $1,000 per month, and 51 students earning around $500 per month, too. Now if you convert $500 into Indian rupees, it becomes 37,000 rupees. If you convert $1,000 into Indian rupees, it becomes 74,000 rupees. So, as you can see, on an average a student earns around 30,000 rupees per month. And this is how IV earned around 30 lakh rupees as a student. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to follow for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.